In this video, I'll show you how you can create a payment link in Stripe. So I'm in my Stripe dashboard, and once you're here, go to the plus icon in the top right hand corner, then click on payment link. Now what you can do here is you can create a payment link for a specific product. So I'm going to add here, we're going to go add new product, and I'm going to add, let's say here, YouTube channel consulting. And this is going to be the name of our product. Now you can add whatever you need here, whatever you're adding a payment link for. Also add a description. So I'm going to put here 30-minute call for YouTube channel consulting. You can put whatever you want here, obviously expand on the title. You can also add an image and it's going to appear at checkout. This is going to be a custom image. I mean, for an invoice, you don't really need this. But if you want to, you can add your logo or whatever image is relevant. Now, if you want this to be a one-off charge, choose one-off. You've then got the amount that is going to be required to pay. You can also change the currency. So say I want to bill in USD. Let's say we charge $100 for a 30-minute call. We can then go ahead and add that product. You've got the unit quantity here as well. Obviously, we're only charging them once. So click add product. You might have already created your product before. If so, you can just choose it. But here we've got the payment page, and here we've got YouTube channel consulting, $100, and then a description about the service. If you scroll down as well, you can also add other products. So say you're doing YouTube channel consulting, you also maybe offer thumbnail design. You can add multiple products to this as well. For now though, we'll just keep it on one product. Now, if you're dealing with virtual products and virtual services, I wouldn't even check collect customer's address because it's just an extra step that they have to do. I wouldn't collect that. You can also here change these other settings. Like if you check this, limit the number of payments, it's going to make sure they can't be double charged and they won't be able to purchase again using this link. I would select this, to be honest. And that's basically the only thing I would select. There are more advanced options, but for this video, I'm not going to cover them. Although one thing I will say, you can change it from pay to book or donate. If you're offering a call, maybe you want to change it to book, but I'm just going to keep it on pay as it is now. And you can then preview this on mobile and computer, and they'll be able to either pay by Apple Pay or card. So click create link. It should then create the payment link. So here is your payment link. You can then go ahead and copy this, and then you can send it to someone, and they're going to be able to then click on it and obviously pay. So here is the checkout page once it loads, and there you go. It really is that easy, and I hope that video was helpful.